Hey guys, it's me Lightning back with another video, and today we're doing My Hero Survives. It's My Hero Academia, but we survive. You're thinking of Survive Hero Academia, Survive Hero, but this is gonna be our first video. We're not sure when we're gonna post the other one, but this is just all. So yeah, I'll hop up with you when all of it gets on. Okay, so Zero just hopped on. I was doing killing some villains while I was waiting for him to get on, so I can make him a sword.
Okay.
Here you go. Olive.
Right here, behind you.
Oh, yeah, here you go. Let's grab our quirk bag and open it up.
Wait. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, no, it's 100% random. It's 3, 2, 1. Oh, what quirk did you get? I got explosion. You? What quirk did you get?
I didn't get a quirk.
You have to click on it again.
It's gone. It's not in my inventory, and neither is it.
Let me see. Did you drop it?
Oh
yeah, you dropped it.
Here it is.
You got creation. But you can make yourself a diamond sword and diamond pickaxe and stuff. Let me rack up some points. I'm going to save up and buy you a quirk bag, okay? A new quirk bag, because you can buy them from vendors and stuff in villages. Let me grab my crafting table, and we should be able to go.
Zero, where'd you... Not Zero. Whoops. Where'd you go?
I'm over here. Oh, I also have a bed for you.
That is the cute. Where'd you go? I have a sword for you.
A diamond one? Oh.
Yeah.
I am back at the spawn.
Okay, right here.
Thank you. Here you go. Here's a bed.
Thank you. Here, have a...
Let me activate this.
Have a pickaxe.
Thank you. I'm going to use explosion fly most of the time. But yeah, I happen to get Bakugo, so I want to track down Bakugo and kill him so I can get his suit.
He's right there.
Bakugo?
Yeah. Me turns around. He's right there.
Did I kill him?
No idea. I'm gonna go Endeavor though. Get in the boat.
Stain!
Put him in a boat.
Slight problem! I don't have your quirk. I might kill Stain and upgrade my rank some. I died. Yeah, so we're also going to be doing a roleplay on this soon, so look out for that. I have to find like Bakugo in his hero outfit for his uniform. For his suit.
I'm gonna... Don't kill Endeavor. I want to kill Endeavor. I want his stuff.
Okay. Okay, that's just a wandering trader.
No, he's running away.
I am going to the village.
Okay.
This is actually where I stole 2 beds from. I didn't actually search it that much, so... I'm gonna kill the iron golem. I killed the iron golem. I guess we just harvest food from the village.
Okay, Endeavor is almost dead, and I think I can get him done with right
So we are heroes. So the one thing that we do have to deal with is being attacked by villains. Like they'll just randomly attack us. We don't even have to tempt them just because we're heroes.
Did you drop your diamond pickaxe or did I make a new one?
You made a new one.
Okay.
Oh God.
Because I have a backup.
In like
52.
different villages, we can have things. Oh, you son of a. What's the deal with villains?
What do we use coins for?
You use them for like buying new quirk bags so you can get different quirks. But then again, I've got a phenomenal quirk as is, so.
I have a lot of coins. I just killed Endeavor. He didn't even drop an ability.
He can't drop you. They can't drop abilities. I originally started off with Bakugos. I just feel like it was kind of funny because I got Bakugos. So actually, before this recording, we were talking about who's our favorite. I just like to mention, out of all of them, I'd have to pick Bakugo. He goes, well, I have to pick Todoroki. I got Bakugo.
Todoroki isn't my favorite. Froppy is.
Yeah, but like favorite quirk out of the ones that we have in this mod, and he said,
Todoroki.
Yeah, and I said Bakugo, and guess who I got?
So where do you buy the coin pouch?
You can find. So the one thing though is they will remove the quirk you currently have. It like completely remove it from your inventory, but you find them in villages, but not always. I searched around this village. It's not in this village. Alright, I've got the explosion fly for a reason.
I'm gonna make a bunch of swords and stuff just in case we run out.
Which is why I actually really like the creation quirk. Which is why if we could do a quirk, that would be one of the quirks I would have. If we gotta choose. Because you can use it for like boats, stuff like that. Especially for traversing water, it makes it a lot easier. And as Zero did.
Okay, I'm back in.
I got a full set of gold armor.
How?
I was killing people and they give you like gold ingots and stuff.
Oh, I think for some reason I suddenly thought gold was the equivalent of diamond.
Oh. Pause. That we don't not want to have on. Because I mean, you'll hear cussing. Oh, right. I forgot about this. I added in one person sleeping, so we don't need two people to sleep. Okay. I'm gonna actually make some bread, which is what I was kind. I'm gonna make actually an iron axe too, but 6 bread for each of us, Riley. Let me organize my inventory some. I don't actually need you anymore. I don't need you. I wish that I had the backpack mod, but no.
42 bread for me. Ooh, is there an iron golem here?
I already killed it.
Oh, dang it.
I just watched a hero push another hero down into a pit.
I'm just murdering all the heroes.
That'll get you turned into a villain.
I really don't care.
And with that, you'll get attacked by like Bakugo, Endeavor, stuff like that without you actually hitting them.
They give you money, so...
I'm gonna go find a place to build a base. I mean, I guess we could set up the village as like a base, as like a temporary base.
If we do, I want the giant tower as my temporary.
That's not a house. That's not even a building. So no. That's one of the custom builds brought into this mod.
Yeah, so why can't I pick it?
Because it's way too big. And we're only going to live here until we are able to get, like, you know, a decent base build.
Yeah, so why can't...
Because you do that, you're going to spend all your time on it.
No. Okay, guys, bye.
What? No. Okay, I am starting now. Okay, sorry about that break.
Okay, guys.
Olive can actually do really long videos. They don't really work for him.
The rest of the... You know, are we gonna leave this area completely, or should we go around and fill in, like, all the holes we made?
We should leave.
When are we leaving?
I don't know. So, I just say that we, like, pick up all the plants and stuff that we can, get ready and everything, and then when we're done, leave. But we're not gonna live here forever. I'm actually gonna go start scouting out a place for us.
I'm gonna start killing sheep.
I wish I had the teleport ability so much. Because I can set a waypoint pretty much, and then I can always teleport back here. I can have more than one at a time, and I can pick the ones I want, so... Wah! I'm just gonna...
Okay, I'm just gonna really quickly get rid of some of the things that I don't need. Oh, wait. These should all just go.
What the fuck? I fell down into a hole and I can't get up.
I don't need this, this, this. I'll keep those when I don't need this, this, or this. And not that. If we ever go to the nether, that would be...
We will, because in the nether, we, some specific ones spawn, and we can also find, the stuff we need to make armors. We can also craft the armors, yeah.
But we can get more very easily, so I'm not going to waste my time on it right now. What I am going to waste my time on is now I have a stack and three pieces of bread.
I've got mostly melons.
Are you going to make a melon farm?
Probably. I've even got some melon seeds. Let me see the crafting recipe.
If you can watch shorts, comment who you think won the build battle.
Oh.
Because personally, I think I did.
I think so
because
too.
His was just a holiday.
That's because I did Mountain Lady, and it was in a mountain, and yeah. But so we need 1 iron block, and netherite for the green, for the white suit, and for the green one you just need. Okay, can I make a... Okay, I'm gonna go...
I'm saving up. I have 5 iron. I can make an iron.
Let's go this way, so we can just kind of like start looking for a base. What biome do you want to build in?
I don't really care, but I kind of want like a forest.
Yeah, I'll go get looking. I don't remember how to get back here. Behind you. Let's go this way. Oh yeah, I've got Bakugo's quirk.
Should we murder this endeavor?
I will. Let me real quickly grab something out of my inventory. I need 2. Don't attack him. Wait, don't attack him. Is he dead?
No, he's alive.
How close is he to death? Okay, yeah, he's really close.
Pretty close.
So I know that we don't really want to become villains necessarily, but
I don't care.
we want the coins. You actually have to activate the coins, Riley. You actually Olive. You have to click on them to activate the coins. Don't steal the coins. Wait, I might have gotten them.
I didn't. I was being blown around. Also, you said my real name. I'm just gonna
trim that part out of our videos.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it out.
Yeah, but
Send it in the editor, and I can do that. I can also make a dragon appear on screen, cause I'm cool.
Where?
Yeah, editor Olive, put a dragon on my screen.
Future me, put a screen.
Where have you gone?
Future Olive, put a Endeavor on my screen. Also, if you guys are up for if you guys can do art, I'd be willing to see a fan art of like our characters, like given like concept art or like us like using our quirks or anything. If you guys do not know, for his first part, you should go really check it out. But if you're watching mine, you don't need to. But
Lightning Bolt, where did you go?
I am coming back to where I died.
You died?
Overhaul. Overhaul. Overhaul! You gotta understand my fear right now. I'm fighting Overhaul. Which Bakugo couldn't even do in the anime. That Deku had to. So... I surrendered!
Yeah, Uraraka, what do you think you're gonna do to me? Throw up on me? That's the worst you could do. Okay, bad time.
Okay.
What time is it? Okay, so it was like 7. Not 7. It was like 5 minutes when you said my name. Okay. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
God.
You stopped sleeping. Oh.
That's because I'm getting attacked by a villain. Also, if you hear any of our names, and which they're gonna be edited out, but yeah, I just want to say, Future Olive, when you're editing this, can you please, if you guys do, because we each actually, you guys can get a hold of us on our Discord server, if you guys want to, and if he's editing this, because I actually did a post out on about My Hero Survive, like we're doing, and I said we were going to be doing it, so if you want to like make us like suits or anything, you can. But Future Olive, can you please add like a versus thing, like every time we fight?
That's what I did. Like the build battle, I added a versus.
No, I mean whenever we fight a big boss in this, like in this, whenever we fight a boss. Is this where I died? Yes.
Would we count an Endeavor as a boss?
Yes, like any of like the main characters, no villains or heroes, but like.
I have no idea where you went, and I'm just like looking for.
I'm kind of outside of the village, I guess.
I kind of want to go explore this ravine.
I fell into the ravine. I don't really want to. So because of this mod, there's this weird like thing where it's like if there's any sort of ravine, it makes it like really hollow there at the end. Like so, like the very bottom of it is like completely full. It's odd. But yeah, there's so many villains. God. But I mean, just more coins for us. But you guys will notice throughout the whole series, we will not be wearing helmets because, yeah. Also, if you have any questions for us, like, who's your favorite character, or anything like that, please do ask us on our Discord. We check frequently. I know that Olive texts it every day. I try to check it at least every other day. I know, though, I do get notifications for the things. And can you please, like, I know for some people it's, like, 1 o'clock, like, in the afternoon, where it could be 1 o'clock at night for us.
I'm not weird like him. I'll be awake at 1 o'clock.
I actually get sleep because, unlike him, I actually put an effort in for school, and we don't.
I put in effort. I have good grades, idiot.
But we don't record during the days. Mostly weekdays, because if you do not know, we still got school, so.
Yeah, it's like 1 a.m.
Oh, shoot. Hey guys, I'm back. We're currently dealing with a mob's problem, because this may be a My Hero Academia thing, but we still gotta deal with normal monsters. Let's hopefully try and sleep. Okay, hopefully in the morning.
Come on.
I'll be able to say what I was trying to say, what I've been wanting to say. Okay, so now, guys, I just want to say, we really don't hate on anybody on these channels, and, I got a comment that saying, hey, you've been really rude recently, can you not, and, Olive was with me when we read that, and I do not know what they mean. Like, Olive, do you know what they mean by the whole you've been rude thing recently? Shh. Hi, and I'm back. He's probably going to be ending off his video. He's probably not going to record anymore. Me, however, I'm not going to really record any. I'm going to record this some more. He's going to be on too. Olive, where you're going to be talking and everything.
I'll be on, I just won't be recording.
Yeah, like sometimes you'll be recording and I'll be on. I just won't be recording. Because you gotta understand, it's extremely hard to keep up with update posts, especially with school. And he's already gonna have 3 videos. I've already got a couple videos that I'm gonna post that I've been working on, and yeah,
I'm still here. I wasn't joking. I'm not leaving.
Yeah, he's still on. He's just probably not gonna.
I'll probably leave and start editing my video.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably leave after I hit the 25-minute mark. Ain't that long, and that's probably gonna be when he starts editing. He is also my editor, if you guys do not know, which if you guys didn't, I'd be shocked if how you guys are even fans.
It's in that one video. That one video was you.
Yeah, except for like the bloopers from My Hero Academia.
And that one edit on your other channel.
Nope. Oh yeah, I guess that one edit.
I was trying to help you and teach you, but then you like took it out of my hands and wouldn't let me help you. So.
Because it's mine.
I know, but you're the one that wanted help.
It's because I've never used the app before.
I don't even have you pay me to edit for you.
Yeah, that's kind of something it does for free. I kind of find it a scam.
Yeah, I'm getting scammed. You're fine. I think I'm gonna go steal all of the concrete from there. I don't know about you.
There's no concrete. That's just terracotta.
Terracotta, concrete powder.
I'm gonna leave and like, yeah. Can you guys like get that? Cause I kind of want some of that stuff for our base. We need you.
Right after I explore this new village I found.
It's the exact same village as ours.
No, it's a different one. Okay, hi guys, this is gonna be a separate video, but I'm still on the My Hero Academia world, and
So am I. I'm still on.
you're still on. Okay. So basically, what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna get a bunch of terracotta, and then I'm gonna. This is a different village than before, but I think I'm gonna take concrete from the houses and stuff, because I think I'm gonna use it to make something like pixel art, but
Yeah, I also asked him to go grab some of this stuff for, building, because if you don't know, I'm kind of like our builder. I'm the one who builds the most, I would say.
I do pixel art better than you do, though.
Yeah, but I can build houses extremely well. I'm actually currently trying to find him. Yeah, I can't find you.
Well, I died, so you don't even have to find me.
I'm just gonna.
I think I might have actually been at this biome, though, just a bit farther down. It's not far from my village, it's just pretty much right outside. And cactus is too rare, so I'm taking this and building a cactus farm.
Yep.
Ooh, and sugarcane for a sugarcane farm.
I really want to find a bamboo
Which is
forest.
also booking quill, which is also what I'm getting the concrete and terracotta and all of that for. Is I am going to be making a book in quill, like, area. It's gonna look super cool. I've made it before. I just now realized I'm mining the cactus with my pickaxe. That was weird. I will never do it again.
I found a biome that's not a savanna or a mesa.
What is it?
It's a oak forest, but I did find another quirk vendor, which I'm going to stay beside, so you can come to me. It's like, which way? Yeah, so if you go back to the spawn, if you turn right.
Wait, I'll just, after I'm done mining some of this, I'll just like die.
Yeah. I'm a B+ hero.
And I am still recording this. I wouldn't count it as a blooper, but it kind of is like a blooper. I don't want you.
I found like a giant hero party. It's like hundreds of heroes. It's like 15 heroes. I'm just gonna kill them all for points. Currently.
Well, that's a cool color. That yellow.
Oh god, they were like all stacked. I was not expecting that. I wonder if I can craft MHA coins with like gold and stuff.
Okay.
I am running into problems where like all mobs are like stacking into one. Birch forest.
The worst forest of the forests.
Burn it. It's park oak forest park.
Okay,
Birch.
I'm going to only burn the birch. I'm gonna drown myself so I spawn, so you can tell me where the vendor is. And
You don't have enough money, I can already say that.
well, I still want to know where.
It's right from the base. Like, when you spawn, it's right. And you just keep on walking right. You see my name tag up here, and
then I'll record that part too. Are you recording?
yeah.
Okay. Dang it, I can't drown. Okay, Okay, I backed myself into a corner on purpose.
After attacking two things.
And they're still not coming after me.
You have to hit them.
I already did. Come on, get on land and kill me. Oh my god, you are... Oh, there we go. Right. Should I pass through the village?
No. Just turn right from spawn and...
Okay, so which direction? Show me.
That way.
This way?
That way. Yeah. You want to walk along the beach to find it. It'll just be easier. Because it's on the beach. Like, partially, like, in water.
That is a cool looking mountain.
Yeah, it's on our side of the lake, though.
I
Like,
just saw this really cool looking mountain.
let me know when you see my username.
I can't find a beach.
No, like, just stay on the edge of the lake. Of, like, yeah. And walk that way. Don't go across it, though.
Okay. Muscular is kind of chasing me.
Okay, bring him here. I'll kill him. I will meet you there. Meet you.
I'm swimming because the muscular is a slow swimmer.
Oh, I see you. Keep going. You'll find, like, a wood shack. That's where. Where is muscular?
Oh no, somewhere over there. Oh, I see it.
You need 50,000 to buy a quirk, and I want another quirk, so I feel like I should probably be able to get another quirk before you, because you've already got two.
Yeah, but you have the only good quirk, so...
Yeah, but if you get an offensive one, I want teleport then.
No.
Then I get create.
I'll give you one of my quirks, maybe. If I do...
Then you're going to have three quirks and I only get one, and my quirk barely does any damage.
I'll give you a quirk in... Shh. Your quirk does way more damage than mine, first off, so don't even...
You get a diamond sword.
So do you, I gave you one.
Die stain.
Kill things for money.
Hopefully, after killing Stain, I'll get enough to use my quirk. Want to buy another quirk. Calling it now, I'm going to get either one for all or full, or like a decent quirk.
Running around. Oh, Tanya, Ida. Back you into a corner in the water. No.
I wouldn't attack me. He can move a lot faster than you.
That's why I backed him into a corner in the water. How about I kill the little guys, you kill the big guys?
Sure.
Because your cork is actually way stronger than mine, and all I have. For a second there, I thought you were Todoroki, and I was like, how?
No, I just picked a fight with him. I got a single 6674. That's stupid.
I don't know how, but I am going to find a way to like cheat this system and get a bunch of those coins because they are so annoying to collect.
Some of them give you more than one coin.
Yeah, I know.
My lord, only get one from Todoroki.
But if there's a drop, there's a glitch.
Can we sleep so it becomes day so we won't have to deal with normal mobs?
Yeah, sure. Sleep already.
Let me get away from mobs. Okay. Riley! Oh, good. Now I can't because I'm getting attacked. So now I can't because you had to get out of the bed. Oh wait, I forgot that one player sleeping is on.
I got out of the bed because you were taking forever.
That's because
So
there was
don't
monsters nearby.
But there were monsters literally right beside me, and I just killed them and went to bed.
Well, I couldn't because I was surrounded.
Also, I don't care if you're angry enough. At least try and don't say my name. Because now I have another thing to blurt out. Which I'll have you know is actually extremely annoying to do. Killed your mom right in front of you, now I killed you. Are you recording, Whitney?
Yeah. Riley, you should check how much coins you have.
Still not enough.
I've got 50,000. You're gonna get mad at me with the quirk I got.
What cork?
Guess.
One for all.
No.
All for one.
No.
Teleport?
No.
I have no idea, just tell me.
Who's your favorite?
Shoot.
Look at
Mm-hmm.
Riley, turn around. Look at who I got.
Cool. Just so you know, I will be reviewing your footage so I can edit it, so...
I know. May I please have teleport for Overhaul?
No, you have over...
I'm gonna give you Overhaul for...
Oh.
Switch.
Yeah, but I want... Now that I can kill him, I want to kill him.
Okay. Now give me teleport.
Teleport.
Thank you. I picked it up on accident.
Explain. What's your rank?
A+. You?
C+.
I'm gonna set this up somewhere so I can, like...
Endeavor, if you just broke my shoes.
I'm gonna set point here. Okay, I've got a point set here. You're fighting Endeavor.
Yeah, they're almost dead. Just so you know, I will be referring them to you if they don't believe me that I just murdered Endeavor and got...
Well, I got Overhaul. I just gave it to you.
Well, yeah, and somehow managed to get you to give me Overhaul or something.
No, I just figured that you should probably have an offensive quirk. Let me hit again.
Well, all
hit
it does
again.
is basically boost normal stats.
Plus, it also gives you an ability every once in a while.
I'm sorry, but I might have to kill Muscular. He's kind of chasing after me.
I want to, okay.
Well, then tell him to stop chasing after me.
I will. Let me just activate my offensive quirk. Yo, Musky buddy. I'm gonna have to talk to you about attacking my friends. It's not really something I'd prefer you not to do. You know, because it's kind of rude. And can you deal with Kyogiri for me?
Yeah, where are they?
He is like behind me right now. Riley, don't. Kyogiri, not Muscular. Why are they so aggroed on you?
What did I do?
Don't know. I just know that I'm being chased by Kyogiri while Muscular tastes you. I'm going to wind up accidentally killing Kyogiri. Do it.
I must.
No, don't, Riley. I will.
No, I was gonna get on top of the tree. Dang it!
Sorry. You know how to get back, right?
Yeah. But I don't have teleport, so...
You can just walk, can't you? You
might
can follow.
be a little annoying. But before I do that, I'm going to check to see if there are Overhaul.
Use his own quirk against him. I'm gonna set my spawn here so I won't die. Ooh, let me check my... I'm at almost 40 minutes. Like almost 45 minutes. I got my respawn point set.
Okay, I was doing that and stuff, but now I'm fighting people, and Lightning, he got Overhaul and he gave it to me.
That's because I'm super lucky. And you can even go check out my video if you don't believe him. If you may not like watching me, but go check it out. My minute mark like 40. My minute mark was like 35 when I got it.
Yeah, I think so.
So go check that out. Oh my god.
Yeah, but now I'm murdering Overhaul with his
What's
own.
your hero rank? Oh, whoa, Mr. Compass. Oh, whoa, Mr. Compass. Mr. Compass. Let's not do this right now, Mr. Compass. I'm gonna pull an Overhaul on your ass. Mr. Compass, I'm gonna pull an Overhaul on your ass. Mr. Compass, I'm gonna pull an Overhaul on your ass and I'm gonna kill you.
My hero rank is a B+Y.
I'm a hero rank of S.
Okay. Well, I can... Maybe now I can get... Yeah, I can get another quirk. I have 50,000.
No, Riley. Well, if we do, can I get a quirk? Can I get it? Because I don't really like Explosion because it actually gives you items that take up your inventory space.
I know.
So could I have another one that doesn't do that if you get an offensive one that doesn't? Or maybe you should give me the back with my luck. I've only gotten
No,
offensive.
because I don't trust you because I know you're just going to steal it.
That's because you're probably going to get a really good offensive quirk. So I'm going to be stuck with the one that just takes up all my inventory space. So, yeah.
If I get something better than Overhaul, I'll give you Overhaul.
Alright. I don't want Overhaul, though. I don't like Overhaul. Did you notice you gave people when you hit them withering?
No, I did not. I don't think villains and stuff are affected by it. Okay. Okay.
I bought you your first bag, so
Okay, guys.
I feel like I should get that.
Explosion.
Can I have it? Because I already have
You
explosion.
already have explosion.
Yeah, so here's what I'm hearing. You get my quirk, and you get 2 other quirks? How fair does that sound? Not at all. I might just kick him and ban him from the server. Because you get my quirk plus 2 other quirks?
I said I would give you Overhaul.
No, because you get my quirk. I want my quirk.
Oh my god, here, fine. Take it. Take everything, actually.
No, I don't want everything. I just want my quirk. Because I'm going to trash the other explosion. Because I feel like it might be a little too over.
How do I have to take it off?
You have to use the takeoff ability, which I might have accidentally used.
And now I'm stuck like this.
No? Riley, I'm going to give you one of the takeoff things.
And my Overhaul ability is gone.
That's because you had it on, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's what happened.
I didn't activate it though, I just held. It was just in my inventory and now it's gone.
Were you wearing it?
No. It was just in my inventory.
Check if you dropped it, because it drops things from you. Here, let me check if I may have. I thought that was one of the things you dropped. I'm gonna... Muscular! Can I have some help here, Riley?
I didn't really help at all, but sure.
Just hit him with the sword. I don't really have any of my quirks active right now. And I'm gonna die, so he's gonna get aggroed on you.
He's dead. I don't know, I used this ability on him.
Yeah, I know that ability is pretty overpowered.
Then why are you complaining about not having a good card?
That's just. Can you help me? I'm getting attacked.
Well,
I'm kind of going AFK so I can try and do something for you. Pick up those that I just dropped.
okay,
And then only use the return ability, and then can you hand it to me?
Use
The black orb. The black orb. Hold it in your... You need to activate it, and then just drop it to me, and then I'm going to probably...
Okay.
Plus, you've got...
There's been drama. Now I'm missing 2 of my quirks.
Oh, no, I've got create. That is
I'm
something I
missing
picked up.
1 of my quirks and the other.
Which I am going to break the rule, which I'm going to go into creative and grab you Overhaul.
Overhaul is gone, even though I wasn't even wearing it at the time it disappeared.
So, yeah,
It just disappeared straight out of my inventory. So that's really dumb. I got Overhaul because we traded Overhaul for
teleport. Which, speaking of Overhaul, Riley, where are you?
Being murdered.
Also, Riley, would it be okay if I switched out my beginner quirk?
Depends what you want to switch it out for. Drop it quick, please.
There you go. I want to switch it to...
Yo, check out my banner.
I want to switch it to control.
Pick a different one. Control is not. Control is
Cremation.
Cremation.
Dabi's.
The purple fire one.
It's not that big of a change.
How about you have the blue fire one?
Yeah, Dabi.
Okay, fine.
No, screw you, Explosion. That's the only time you'll ever see it do it. Like, that's because it was necessary. He lost his quirk. That's, like, going to be the only times you ever do it. Now I'm going to go back down and deactivate cheats.
Okay, but bye guys. This is probably should be the end of this video. It's been kind of long. Goodbye. And video over. Okay, do you want me to start editing now?
1 second, I need to fix something that...
Okay, well, I'm leaving.
Okay, I'm just going to fix something.
And after I edit, we should do another build battle.
No. I'm going to go to bed after you.
Why? You have all the good mods, though.
I want to go to bed. I'm tired.
Oh, we didn't make the Christmas special edition either.
We're going to do that later in the year, towards Christmas.
I made my... what was gonna be, but I lost my phone before it, but I made a Halloween special edition like a while before it happened. So Dude. Look, comment, heart. This has 30 views. Then the other ones have like 8 and yeah. And then let's check my YouTube. This one got 0 views, but this one has 70 views. The snowman one. Okay, once you're done, just like pass me your phone, have it on CapCut, and
Well, that'll be all.